Hello everyone, this is Bratin. I am from section 20 and my roll number is 21CS10016. This is my assignment number 2 of the DIY course. I have made a automatic light controller and alarm for a room. The basic principle of this project is that whenever someone enters the room or leaves the room, it will keep track of the number of people inside the room. Whenever the number of people inside the room exceeds a minimum value, it will ring a alarm. For this particular project, I have taken the number of people to be 4. These are the components that I have used for this project. This is the breadboard, this is the Arduino UNO, this is the ultrasonic distance sensor which will be at the entry gate and this one will be at the exit gate. This is the speaker, this is the power supply and this is the light bulb. Also, I have used a relay SPDT. Now, let's move on to the code part of this project. I have created a variable named count which will keep track of the number of people present inside the room. Whenever the sensor at the entry gate will send someone within a range of 100 cm, the count will be increased by 1. Also, the pin 4 will be set to high and the bulb will glow. If the count exceeds 4, the speaker will be played. If the sensor at the exit gate senses someone within a range of 100 cm, it will decrease the count by 1. Also, if the count falls to 0, the pin 4 will be set to low and the bulb will not glow anymore. For the block statement, the corresponding C++ code generated is shown on the right side. Now I will start the simulation to demonstrate the working. As we can see, both the particles are situated at a distance of more than 100 cm from both the sensors. Now I will bring this particle close to the sensor number 1. The entry of people 1 has been noted. Now as the number of people inside the room has exceeded 4, the alarm has given us a warning. Now I will bring this particle close to the sensor number 2. The number of people inside the room has now decreased. Now as we can see, as the number of people inside the room falls to 0, the bulb stops glowing. Once again, if someone enters the room, the bulb will start glowing again. We are currently at the Arduino IDE. I have imported my code over here. Now I will compile my code. As we can see, the compilation is successful.